Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'll be going over a no-nonsense Forex trading strategy. And yeah, I know there is a YouTuber, uh, his channel is called No Nonsense Forex, and he basically, yeah, shows you all types of indicators and strategies that you can use. And he's quite known for just fabricating specific strategies using all types of different indicators. But what you see is that your entire screen is, yeah, full with indicators, and I don't believe that you need that many indicators, right? So I'm going to show you a really simple, the real no-nonsense Forex trading strategy. And we use a indicator on TradingView, which is really popular. So let me see. I go to the indicator tab and I look for the MACD strategy. It's really simple, because if you tweak the settings a little bit, you will get amazing results. So you click on this. I've already clicked on it. Let me see over here. Let's enable it. And yeah, here you see the buys and sells, right? So now the strategy is basically displayed on the chart. And let me show you over here the results. So if I use this trading strategy, I will show you the settings in a minute. We see that here it was a little bit of drawdown, then it went up, a little bit drawdown, up. We're ranging a little bit, right? And then suddenly we see a big move to the upside. Here we see some ranging periods, a little bit of a drop, then it goes again to the upside, and here we see that it slowly goes down, but overall we're still in profit, right? Which is the most important thing. Overall we are in profit. Is a profit factor of 1.065 and 32, almost 33% profitable, right? The maximum drawdown, which is also important, is 14%, and the net profit is 11. So it's a okay balance, I believe. And we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, and we're looking at year USD. So you may think that this is an okay trading strategy, right? Which could be true. However, let me before I explain more about the real strategy, let me show you the inputs. I changed the default settings to 10 and 250, and the MACD length is 9. You can of course play around with this, but yeah, for this video, for this trading strategy, I used these settings. Okay, so let me show you, right? So these are okay, quite reasonable. Yeah, it's a quite reasonable performance in my opinion. But let me see where I show you the power of this trading strategy. Over here, I look at the alt JPY. Again, we see it's ranging a little bit, not a lot of profits, not really big drawdowns, but suddenly we see yeah, big profits, a lot of winners, until here we range a little bit, and then we see a big move to the upside. However, let me show you. This is calculated starting from 2018, March 2018. So it's about 6 years, something like that. And of course, yeah, you just play around with the order size and then you get bigger numbers, right? If you think this is too low. But okay, so I've showed you Euro USD, I've showed you all JPY. Let me show you odd cat, for example. Okay, so this one wasn't that good. We see over here that it is a little bit, yeah, it's in the profit, it's a little bit minus. We're ranging until here we see a drop of 35%. Then we go to the next one, euro odd. We see it's kind of break even, about 2% up, but here we see a big move to the upside, and then again here, and it slowly goes into break even mode. Yeah, we already covered Euro USD. Here we have Euro New Zealand, which is also a little bit of ranging. Here it went really nice, then it went down a little bit, and in the end we're minus 6%. Let me see GBP USD. Over here we have plus 3%. Again, you can play around with the lot sizes to get even higher net profit, but also drawdown, of course, bigger drawdown. Here we see a nice bump to the upside. We look at GBP JPY. Here we see a net profit percentage of 72%. So here a little bit of drawdown, and then slowly goes to the upside, which only this pair covers about 2-3 okay-ish losing pairs, right? So we have the New Zealand JPY again plus 32%, and we have the New Zealand CAT, which is minus 28%, but again we saw the GBP JPY, which covered these and the other one with a little bit of drawdown entirely. Here we have another 11.8% gain. We have 23% gain. So basically what it comes down to is that you can use this trading strategy, however you need to test on which pairs this trading strategy performs best. And yeah, you can tell that it works amazingly on JPY pairs, right? So, and also the USD, it went well, GBP USD. So what you can do, what I recommend, is to use 1 or 2 profitable trading strategies that you have back tested. Here we see it's back tested for 6 years, and then what you do is that you just use diversification. So you use multiple pairs and you spread the risk. So don't place all your eggs in one bucket. Bucket, I don't know what it is, what it's called in English, but don't bet on one horse, right? And just spread your risk. And then you don't need all the crazy 100 indicators displayed on your screen to make it all cluttered and all that. Just use a simple trading strategy, find out on which pairs it works, it performs best, and just spread your risk and apply it to multiple pairs. Just diversify and use a portfolio of pairs, right? That's the secret. That's the thing that you need to focus on. So in my opinion, just forget the 100,000 different indicators on your screen. It won't make you a profitable trader in the end if you have 100 indicators instead of 5 indicators or 1 or 2. So yeah, just keep that in mind and just give it a try. And yeah, just let me know down below in the comments what you think. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.